In this video, we shared 3 simple and reliable ways to recover WhatsApp media from iPhone with or without backup. Part 1. Retrieve deleted photos on WhatsApp iPhone from iTunes backup. Launch iTunes on your PC or Mac. Connect iPhone via USB. Trust the computer on the iPhone. Click device icon in iTunes. Choose Restore Backup. Select relevant backup and click Restore. Part 2. Hover deleted photos on WhatsApp iPhone from iCloud backup. Turn on your iOS device. Navigate to Settings, General Reset, erase all contents and settings. Tap on Erase Now to set your device to factory settings. Begin to set up your iDevice. When you see the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign into your iCloud account and proceed to choose Backup. Choose a backup in iCloud from the list to recover deleted WhatsApp images on iPhone from iCloud Backup. Part 3. Recover WhatsApp photos and videos from iPhone directly. If you are caught off guard without a backup in iTunes or iCloud, don't worry. You can still apply professional iOS data recovery software to directly recover lost content from iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch without any backup.